Crackers, actually, we've stopped bursting crackers at our house because we've realized that it's made by small children here and there, and it's unnecessary noise pollution. And our society is actually, people do burst crackers, but we burst it at only few people. They get together and that's all, nothing more.
This Diwali, I'll be going home, so I'll be meeting my parents, my relatives. So I think it is going to be fun with all sort of colors, crackers, everything.
You were saying that you were going to burst crackers.
Yeah, basically that's what we do in Diwali. It's a ritual kind of, you have to burst crackers and all.
Diwali means crackers, right? So, are you aware of the environmental aspects of bursting crackers during Diwali?
Yeah, I know that. We do take precautions to lessen the environmental hazard, but without the cracker, there is no enjoyment to Diwali. It's like that. But I basically, I am really scared of crackers, so I don't touch those. It's my brother who does it, but I enjoy to see it.
You enjoy.
We should be careful enough, and we should celebrate in such a way that it should not disturb others, not late nights. If it is like a community, if you are coming and doing the crackers, that will be fine. And we are decreasing the pollution, and also you can enjoy as a society together. That's what I can say about it.
Thank you.
No, actually, see, I lived in another country and it was illegal there. Yeah, so I was in India for only 2 Diwalis, and both of them, one I burst crackers and then I've never burst crackers.
I'm very eco-friendly. I don't even take bath every day. I save water and all too.
Well, I support you.
I told you I'd be reducing. See, when I was in school, I used to play Diwali properly. I used to buy crackers worth 5,000, 10,000, and I used to burn it for the 4 days, like Choti Diwali, Badi Diwali, Main Diwali, then till Bhai Dooj. But now I only do it on the main day.
So how are you going to celebrate your Diwali this year?
I don't know. I have around 10 plans, out of which I'm going to decide any one. I'd probably go for DJ Snake if he's coming right here.
Oh, awesome.
Or I'd go to Goa. Or definitely I'm not staying in VIT, but yeah.
So are you going to burn any firecrackers and all?
No.
No? Why? Scared of him?
I can burst more firecrackers than you probably would think, but yeah, I'm probably done with that.
Then why not and go burn this Diwali? Why didn't you want to burn this Diwali?
I'm done, basically, yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
I don't burst firecrackers.
Why? Scared of him?
Yeah, because I'm not really scared, but then I got hurt once and I got 5 stitches on my lip.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's pretty huge.
Yeah, that is. So, yeah, no fireworks.
No fireworks.
Yeah.
So
This year,
I'm not going to burn any firecrackers
I'm not going to burn any firecrackers.
and go green.
I will go green.
We go green this Diwali!
Thank you very much.
This year,
We
we are not going to burn any firecrackers
are not going to burn any firecrackers
and go green.
and go green.
I pledge
I pledge
not to burn
not to burn
crackers
crackers
from this year,
from this year,
and also
and also
don't influence my friends
don't influence my
to do that.
friends to do that.
Go and go.
I pledge not to burn crackers.
This Diwali, go green! Happy Diwali!